Pause. Hey there, gentlemen. If you're over 50 and dealing with erectile dysfunction, you're not alone. In fact, about 50% of men over 50 face this issue. But don't worry, there are ways to tackle it. Pause. So, let's dive into the top 9 ways to combat erectile dysfunction. Pause. First up, brush and floss your teeth daily. Sounds simple, right? But keeping your teeth clean prevents gum infections, which can trigger inflammation that might affect blood flow to your penis. In one study, 53% of men with ED had chronic periodontitis, while only 23% of men without ED did. So grab that toothbrush and keep those pearly whites shining. Pause. Number 2, watch what blood pressure medicine you're taking. Diuretics and alpha blockers can worsen ED, but angiotensin receptor blockers could help. Since angiotensin is most active when the penis droops, blocking its action may improve erections. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your medication. Pause. Third, break a sweat. Losing weight and adopting a healthy lifestyle can significantly improve erectile function. In one study, 1/3 of obese men with ED regained sexual function after 2 years on a weight loss program. Plus, staying active has a 70% lower ED risk than being sedentary. So, pop on those trainers and get moving. Pause. Next, help yourself to hummus. What's good for the heart is good for the penis. Mediterranean diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, fish and healthy fats is great for both. Research has shown that men with type 2 diabetes who follow this diet have the lowest rates of ED. Pause. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lower testosterone levels, which is crucial for sexual function. Aim for 7-8 hours of good quality sleep each night to keep those levels up. Pause. 6th. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the penis. Quitting smoking can improve blood flow and ED symptoms. Plus, it's great for your overall health. Pause. Next, limit alcohol intake. Excessive drinking can affect your ability to get and maintain an erection. Stick to moderate drinking, which means up to 2 drinks a day. Pause. Number 8, manage your stress. Stress and anxiety can interfere with sexual performance. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing meditation or yoga to keep stress at bay. Pause. Lastly, consider talking to a professional. Sometimes ED can be a sign of a bigger issue, like heart disease or diabetes. A healthcare professional can help diagnose and treat underlying conditions. Pause. So, there you have it. 9 effective ways to combat erectile dysfunction. Remember, making small changes can have a big impact on your health and quality of life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Pause. Stay healthy and take care. Pause.